I'm gonna do it for the beef Wellington filling. Starting to evaporate mushroom mix.
My friend Leroy and I got separated. I came to Curry to tell people how they can save hundreds by customizing their car insurance with Liberty Mutual. He's tall, long neck, yellow shirt, a beak, a certain glint in his eye. Oh, wow. That's great, but, not what an English sounds like. But a tie's a nice touch.
Step into the world of espresso and bring magic to every morning. Shop the holiday gift collection at espresso.com.
Check-in time is 3:65. I know.
Is this what he's doing now?
As your host, I have some rules. First, no showers longer than 5 minutes. This isn't a spa. No game. No fun.
Yes, Coach. Meanwhile, at Verbo, get the vacation you expect, and never a hungry host.
Hey, it's me, your very dry skin. CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion with hydrourea and 3 essential ceramides helps restore the natural
Some good marbling.
dryness for up to 72 hours. Introducing CeraVe's new Intensive Moisturizing Cream.
Let me save these chunks for the gravy. Now it's gonna go in the pastry. I'm gonna sear it. Mustard. Browning this. Let's keep for this heat warm. Make a gravy. Yeah. Make a red wine. Okay, what about anything? Thanksgiving is better with Beef Wellington. Or so Ramsey says. We'll find out. The first one. That's good.
And you're gonna wrap that around?
Yeah, it gets wrapped with here's mushroom mix. Gotta let all the liquid out. So that's how you go on top of the prosciutto. That the meat is gonna be wrapped up. First I'm gonna delicate This will be a red wine sauce, and the meat's gonna get fermented. Let's spread it all into it. You want to get all this right here with flavoring. So this is the steak bits that I had made. I put, maybe a quarter wine butter stick, some Italian seasoning, something that will reduce for a good 30 minutes. Make a strong sauce. Put some more sour sauce. And that's the paste consistency you want. You want to be no liquid. This is gonna put it. You don't want no moisture when you wrap this fish around the loin. This is mushroom. When anybody will. Then we want to add the Dijon. Oh, it's hot. Yeah! Oh yeah. Just give it that flavor, that little heat.
It's kind of more like sprinkling.
Yeah.
They're feeling more like holidays. You know, warm, cozy.
Thanksgiving.
Macy play.
Peppermint.
Yes.
And let it cool down.
And you know what? I think we should order a bunch with people outside watching the play.
That's a good idea.
Let's do it.
Get outside.
That's awesome.
Rich and Chris are showing up.
Well, yeah, they're in New York. Sorry, watching the Macy's Day Parade, guys.
They got
Sorry.
everybody looking.
Great crowd is feeling it too.
And just let it sit, let it cool down.
Here comes the show. Set get back. That's Chris Lightning.
Oh my God, I love this. So when we randomly sigh during the day, that means our body is pressing its internal reset button.
Huh.
Because you know, whenever I sigh, you're always like, what? You know? I'm like, I don't know. It says it says strange signs you're actually healthy. Your poop stinks, not floats. This means your gut is absorbing nutrients well. It's good things.
Huh.
Taking the Griswold family from Christmas vacation to the Thanksgiving parade led by David Chives and Patrick Butler. It's the Catawba Ridge High School Marching Band. Take it away.
So 9 body parts where emotions are stored as pain. Tips. Unprocessed grief and suppressed emotions. Ever cried during deep hip searches? That's why. Shoulders. The weight of responsibility carrying too much. Your body feels before you do.
Huh.
Lower back. Fear of financial or emotional instability when life feels uncertain. This is where tension builds. The jaw, repressed anger and unspoken words, clenching at night, your body is holding back what needs to be said. Chest, heartbreak, and deep sadness when emotions are free, but they feel a secret waiting to be released. And inner conflict and suppressed expression, the tension of living a life that doesn't align with your truth. Stomach, anxiety, and unresolved trauma, gut issues. Your body is processing more than it's just food. Hands, control issues and overwhelm always working. It's a sign of not trusting the flow of life. Knees, fear, change, resistance to moving.
That's crazy. So much we don't know.
Yeah.
Up next, Lainey Wilson transports us somewhere over the river. And still to come, the Radio City Rockettes and the arrival of the one and only Santa Claus, right here on NBC.
For an elf, holidays are stressful, but dry
Black Friday. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Watch and Tab, all for $0. No trade-in needed.
Also wanted a hotel with an ocean view. Then you found a vacation rental with an ocean front yard. Easily find your stay. Expedia. Book now.
Seeing someone else?
There might be a little target competition coming your way. Cool dance party. I don't think that word.
Watch football all season long on Channel 2. Sponsored in part by First National Bank Alaska and MTA.
Thanks for calling Discover. This is Diane. Hello?
Hi, I just received a
So it looks like it worked out. The beef Wellington, first time ever making it. This is the end result. Still gotta let it, so you wanna let it cook with an internal temp of about, you wanna pull it about 110, 120. You want it to be a medium rare, but don't cut into it. You gotta let it, you pull it, and you cook it for 42 minutes-ish, depending on your oven. And then you will let it sit for another 20 minutes. I know 110 is, you're like, what? But it keeps cooking, so keep that in mind. So we'll see how it turns out at the end. Alright, this is the final product of my first beef Wellington. Temperature for 20 minutes for medium rare. That's what it ended up being.
You know why? Because I feel like at least one of my kids
For Thanksgiving
has to make it.
of
Right? I'm not
2025.
expecting to go 4 for 4. I'm not. Get the bell money ready for this one. I don't know. I just, you know what it is, man? I don't want to pitch it done. I don't want to be one of those celebrities that pitches it done. Lots of celebrities have kids, and kids grow up and don't do shit. These resources, they don't want their fingertips. I don't want that to happen.
Moment of
I
truth.
want them to take advantage of the opportunities that they have in front of them. I don't.
There it is.
Pitch it done. You don't think
I
about it.
think I passed the test.
This is one of the reasons why I
So,
took the phones, so I can be fucking
beef
honest.
Wellington. I would have fixed a little bit more of the draining there, but hey, it is what it is. I'll fix that next time, put it on a thing so it drains. But here we go.